hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type Reset. You will find this option, Reset this PC. And there it is. Click the Get Started button. You will then have the choice to reinstall Windows by keeping your personal file or remove everything. Removing everything is the right way to do before you sell your computer. Select all drives. Well, make sure you have a backup of your stuff before. If you keep the computer, just remove the files. If you sell it, clean the drive. This will write random data over yours. Finally, hit the reset button and wait few hours for your PC to reboot with a brand new Windows installation.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!